All right, guys, welcome back. So it's been a while we have talked about this SoundHound stock. Just for the record, if you're new, well, we're going to be very short with this one. Bullish, 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 bullish. And somewhere around here, I make a video saying that, yeah, it looks like a known pattern that I have seen it somewhere. And it can come down to $13 levels in the first 2 weeks of January, or by mid-January, or by end of January, something like that. And ever since I was not talking about this one, I think maybe I even made a video saying that if it does break 24, which has been a resistance for quite some time, yeah, it is possible that it can push towards $30. And you can see the support resistance levels I'm watching right here, right now for the stock. So it's been in this range bound premium burning mode for quite some time. And I'm watching this range 19 and 24-ish. And you can see I have a support somewhere around here at $18 level. So I have given an example of Marathon Digital. And again, whether you agree this stock is totally different or not, I don't care intrinsically about, like, yeah, I know it's AI business. Another stock is a minor business, but pattern. This is what I pay attention to, pattern. Because when market capitalization of the stock is identical to another market capitalization, it's usually traded by the same hedge funds, by the same LLCs, by the same retail, and it pretty much mirrors very, very often with similar capitalization stocks. And I'm not saying that it might work out identically same, but this is something I'm watching that it could happen again, which has happened back in 2023, I believe. I'll take a look at that one pretty soon. But volume has been declining. This is another thing I'm watching for the stock. And implied volatility for the stock still high. If you're trading options with this name, I'm sure if you were directional with it, whether you wanted to short it or whether you wanted to go long, I'm sure you were having a hard time to make money because it's been moving. One day it goes up and then immediately it gives it back and it just chops around. Put to call ratio so far, 30 minutes until market close, 153,000 calls traded, 85,000 puts traded. And I'm not seeing many of those calls that came in being traded at the asking price, which means most of these calls could be sells. Now let's take a look at Marathon Digital, because I'm not going to take too much to explain this one, but I'm not ignoring the fact that, yeah, this is an AI name. It will stay in, it will be in play maybe throughout this 2025, and it might hold on to those. It will definitely probably stay above $10 for sure for the rest of the year, just like Marathon has done, as they sign some more deals, as business improves and all that good stuff. But ultra short term, my guide, and I have shared it a couple times actually, my guide is Marathon Digital's chart, where stock goes up from $10 to $30 in 2023. And in the beginning of the year, timing is pretty much the same as well. It spends like 10 trading session doing nothing and staying in the range of 23 and 28. And then going into the option expiration, this stock just fades about 30% or so, maybe even 40%, 45% decline in about 4 or 5 trading sessions. And then it does consolidate again and then comes right back up to these levels as more people find it attractive to buy the dip. And again, this trades off of the Bitcoin, but still, the SoundHound looking like the same pattern to me. It's not going to be 1-to-1, but 50-day moving average has gone up. It is at the moment at $12 or so. But I'm watching for something like this. Once the stock cracks, if it breaks the support of these, well, for me it's 18 bucks crack, I'm watching for some sort of a decline like this, 20-30%. So if it comes down from these $20 levels all the way to 12 bucks, I mean, that's already 40%. And if you're somebody who is interested, again, this is not a financial advice. These are purely for entertainment purposes only. If personally I wanted to go long, I either wanted to stock break out, make a new 52-week high, or I want the stock to trade, basically to dip significantly, shake out a lot of shorts and longs, and then I would go long. So for me, attractive price would be the 52-week, not 52-week actually, the 50-day moving average, 50-day simple moving average, this yellow line on my chart. This is the area I'm interested to possibly go long SoundHound stock. But right here, right now, as it does these shenanigans, which I don't like, and I'm not trading out of this, I'm just watching this name as a watch list stock to decide which way it wants to go. So I'm going to be watching to the downside 12. If it cracks 24, possible to push towards 30. So that's the update for SoundHound. I think unless this stock moves one way or another, I don't think I will be coming back and talking about this name, because I have many other names on my watch list. But this is what I'm watching for, the name. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Peace.